In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin in Etoro. It is very easy and quick process, so make sure you are this video till the end. Now to buy Bitcoin on your Etoro. First you need to open up your app, and then log in your account. After this, you need to click on this Discord button or the search icon at the bottom of your screen. Then, this will take you to the screen where you can discover the stores, cryptocurrency or any other investment that you can make in Etoro. All you need to do is click on this search bar at the top of your screen, and then in the search bar you have to type BTC or the Bitcoin, and then search result will show the results. From here you have to select Bitcoin, and then from this screen you have to click on this straight button at the bottom of your screen. Then select how much you want, enter the amount how much you want to buy, and then simply click on this buy button. And once you do that, your Bitcoin will be purchased in your Etoro. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.